Hey Kansas City, it's time again for our housing market update. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's market update from Strang Hall in downtown Overland Park, where a trendy industrial food court awaits with a variety of diverse eateries for you to enjoy. As we look at Kansas City from 2024 compared to 2023, in March we saw 2.6 less homes closed overall for Kansas City and 6.9% less in Johnson County. Prices did increase in Kansas City 4.2% with a 5.3% increase in Johnson County. Now overall, we did see fewer homes go for sale, which equaled 1.8 less homes overall in Kansas City and 7.4% less in Johnson County. That still gives us a 1.8-month inventory, which, as you all know by now, anything under a 3-month inventory is still a seller's market. Now, our number one question this month is, as we go into the spring market, what are we seeing with interest rates staying above 7%? We are seeing buyers looking for homes and aggressively writing strong offers to make sure they find a house very soon. In fact, for March, we saw the number of homes pending increase by 4.9% overall in Kansas City and in Johnson County the same. As always, feel free to reach out for any questions you have on the housing market for buying, selling, or investing in real estate.